2023-24 or its equivalent average of 96. Aside from the usual being charged with residence from school to school, member school to member school will be charged a residency, and that said residency will be considered as a eligibility year. But instead of just one, it will now be two.
Got that. Thank you very much, Edie. Now, we have another question for our commissioners. Maybe Mr. Javi could take this one. Are there any rule changes on court that we should be aware about this season 87?
For season 87, we're maintaining the existing rules. No major changes. For the officials, it's really a challenge, but we're making sure that the consistent enforcement of these rules are going to be applied throughout the season to ensure fairness and quality of game. So, to answer your question, there are no major changes, and actually there are no changes in terms of the basketball rules this season 87.
Thank you so much, Sir Javi. Now we have another question for any of our commissioners. Can you tell us more about the appeal process when it comes to player suspensions?
The appeal process after the game, the commissioner's office tenders an infraction memo, and then the team has 24 hours to 48 hours to appeal that. If they don't appeal, it means that the decision is final. So after we get the appeal, the commissioner's team also has 24 hours to answer that appeal. So